Metra Aaron here, got another Saddle Tramp shorty. What we're going to be going over today is installation of your turn signal videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the 1156, 1157 and the associated trim ring on this 2000 Harley touring bike. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so on the back of this 2000's Harley touring, you got two 1156s. So that's going to be the BC-1156. Installation is the same on both sides. We're going to show you the one here. Take your favorite number 2. I'm going to pop out these screws. Put it in the cup. Set it to the side. Twist. Unlock. That's there. As you can see, they're keyed. So in and out, it's the same thing. Twist to unlock. Let me go ahead and open up our 1156. Alright, and also you need the rings for these. So the part number on this is BC-1157 ring, and it is a bag within a bag. But what this does is it allows your ring to mount up, or the light to mount to the ring, so it's not just wiggling around in the hole. So the operation here is you got your 3M tape, pull that off, orient your ring so you know what is up. Really doesn't matter, but it's just aesthetically pleasing. Situate your ring. You're going to see there's a little keyway here and a keyway on your ring. Now, just so everything's not all bunched up, this is where your plug is. So I like to give it some space and orient the light to the side. And again, keyway, nothing special about it. It's the same on both sides. And you can just press these in there to see how they look. Turn the bike on and give it a quick test. Alright, now to complete your installation, ours are amber, but these do come in red, and we will be getting red for this bike. Pop the cover on. And you're all set. And the installation, like I said before, is the same on both sides. Now was the installation of the BC-1156RD and the BC-1157 ring.